Alright, so yesterday I was looking at our power-ups here, and one of the issues is that we are giving a random chance for a brick to generate a power-up, and if player hits it, what I would like to do is have the chance for a power-up kind of go up. So right now it's like I think it's like 1 in 10 basically, which translates to like almost never in real life, I guess. So yeah, brick color won't be it. Let's go to the base. Alright, so we have this random weight, and this is great, but I'm trying to, I guess, increment this after the fact. If every time you don't successfully get a power, we add to it, but this is per brick, which means most bricks get destroyed on this when this happens. So this won't work. So what I was thinking was that we need to just have a central place for the power up chance. Yeah. And I almost feel like we're at the point where our variables on our player pawn are enough that you want to organize these and stuff. Alright. So I'm just going to put it on the player pawn. Just as a reminder, I'm trying to just kind of keep this as like a short project and not go super crazy and overbuild everything. So sometimes I'm making choices that are for speed and maybe not for the best organization. There's definitely a number of parts of this game that would do well to have kind of better systems where we have separate systems where maybe more inheritance and things like that. But I've kind of chosen certain ways to do things to speed up the process and keep the complexity down. Although the less organized you are, the more complex things will become too. So you got to strike a balance. Anyway, I think adding this variable to the player will be okay. So it's a power-up random chance. It's integer. It's not a boolean. Let's save. Okay, and we start off at point. Oh, it's not an integer. It's a float. All right. So we start off at point 1, which is basically 10% chance, and then we want a way to increment it. So we're going to create an event. And I mean, okay, so we don't have to create an event. We could just create a function. So I've gotten very event happy in this game actually. Sometimes you need to have an event depending on what you're doing. Like timelines have to be in the event graph, I guess. And can't be in a function, but like some of this stuff could totally be in a function. This update score could be in a function. Alright, we'll do custom. Okay. We'll stick with our style here. update random power up chance. And yeah, okay, so basically, let's grab this, get it. We'll add some value to it. And then okay, and I was thinking about this, like, do I need to clamp this? But I think once you actually generate the power up, the chance of the power up should get reset to 0.1 again. So we probably need a second event. See, already this should just live in its own class or something, but that's alright. And then the power up manager or something. Alright, and we'll set this to 0.1. Alright. Now, in here, now the other issue with this is that we're creating a connection between the player paddle, right, and the bricks, which is kind of dumb. Like, if we think about it, this stuff should actually just live on on the brick manager, maybe, which I will never recall because I call it brick builder. Oh, weird. What did I just do? Okay. There we go. Right. Okay. So we just added this to the brick builder, which is like our brick manager. I think I like this better. This system's already kind of tightly coupled with bricks, right? So in a way, anyway. I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of more of a game manager at this point than a brick builder. But okay, so we have our power up chance. Let's go back here. And we want to get this value. And we're not going to do any of that. Okay. And do we have a... Well, I guess we are connecting to the player here too, but okay. So let's grab this. Alright, so I'm just grabbing this class here because then we don't have to actually do it here. I think that should work. Alright, there might be other places where the brick builder gets called. Alright, anyway, we have it set, so let's go to our power up drop. And we'll just grab our builder here, and we'll say get power up chance. Okay, so we'll do that. Drop it here, and then if it's false, we'll reset. Power up chance. Oh, we can't do that yet. Oh no, if it's false, we're not doing that. If it's false, we are updating. That's a bad. We're not really updating it, we're increasing it. And then here, we're resetting power chance. Okay. I guess we'll keep the string in. Alright. So now what should happen is we check to see if we're going to do the power up. If we fail, then we'll update our power up chance, which we'll just call this increase power up chance. Alright, so we increase the power up chance. And that will add another 0.1. And then if we succeed, we'll spawn our power up and we'll reset our power up chance. So I'm not too worried about like the chance becoming like you know, I don't know, 300% or something, because I think it should reset. Probably want to clamp the value maybe. Alright. should be pretty close to like 100% at this point, so it's not working. Ah, okay. Huh, interesting. Okay. So this value is blank. Why? Event begin play. So we have our brick builder. It's always in the thing. So but none of these bricks find it. Huh. Yeah. Okay. I didn't rename it, did I? So what's happening here? We have our let's type in valid. What's the other one? Is valid. Yeah, I think that's probably fine. All right. What I'm wondering is this even playing, I guess? That's here. Let's do print string and play. Alright, I just want to do that. Let's see. So no. Okay. Do spawn things not begin play? Alright. That's interesting. So dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. So I know in Unity there's like a special event called like on spawn or something like that. So but I thought that begin play always worked for these, for everything. Huh. Event. Okay, let's see. Alright, is it erroring? It does not seem to be playing. Other people have complained about it, but are we overwriting in our color brick maybe? But that it shouldn't be overwritten though. It should. But maybe it is. Okay, let's kill it. Alright, that could be why. That could be why. Yeah, there you go. Okay, look. Alright. Now it's time to make some more fun power-ups, right? Two, three, four. So I got up to like a 70% chance or something like that, so I think that definitely feels like the power-ups are a lot more frequent. You don't want the player, if you're using randomization, you kind of don't want the player to feel like they're constantly losing, you know? So, and I don't think they care about the random dice roll for power-ups. I think they just want power-ups, so. when you go through a long stretch like this, you kind of want to spice the game up. There we go. Alright, so there's also a bug in here with the level change where the ball doesn't change fast enough. Ooh. Haven't figured that out yet either. Okay. Look, I have 16 lives. So, I don't know, times like that, it's kind of like, oh wow, so many. We could add logic to say like, is there a power-up party in the game? don't add another one. I'm sure the multis too are the result of like the power-up reset, not firing like right on time. I'm pretty sure events are kind of asynchronous in some way, I think. Alright, so the next power-up I want to start is, I think the easiest, quote, easiest one would be probably the, like, multi-ball, because we already have a ball, right? And we have that functionality. The other one that's really cool is the one where the ball kind of just goes right through every brick for a limited time, and or maybe until it falls down. But the issue with that one is I'll have to modify the ball to like not bounce and just keep going. So that'll be interesting. And I think I need to adjust how I'm destroying the bricks, because I think I'm doing like almost like a delay on destruction, which is fine until a ton of things are happening on the screen and the delay is delayed. So that's causing this crazy like explosion bug. So alright, that's all I have time for today. Let's see if I can beat this level though. Could really use some power-ups, some aggressive power-ups. Alright. Nope. I think I also have to adjust how I'm doing the camera. I think I need to lock it so that it doesn't go. Like I really only want like maybe this much wiggle. I don't really want it to slide all the way across the screen. So how to do that by having it track something other than the player's paddle, which would require some math. Come on. Nope. 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 Alright, I can do this. There's the bug. It also generates lots of powers. I think that was a double power-up generator too. Yeah, probably should limit the power-ups on the screen, I think. Or like have a maybe even have like a cooldown for the power-ups. That probably would be a way to do it. So just have like a short timer that says like, oh, you already had a power-up. Okay, wait. Wait 2 seconds or something. That way we don't have like a million power-ups on the screen. Nice. Penguin level. Okay. A classic. Alright. I think I'm going to stop for today. And see you all tomorrow.